Hey everyone, welcome back to SoftGPT. Today we're checking out an AI platform that can literally turn your music into a full cinematic music video automatically. And honestly, some of the results look like they came straight out of an anime studio or professional editing software. So let's get started. Create account. First, head over to MVLand and create an account. Once you log in, you'll enter the dashboard where all your projects and generations are managed.
Sun up, kitchen smells like cinnamon. Mom's dress wrinkled, but she's grinning. Ooh. Basket by the back door, plastic grass spilling out. Yeah, you whisper, ready? I try not to shout. Hey, we're hiding exit.
So to begin, click on Create Music Video, upload your song. Now the first thing we need to do is upload our audio file. You can upload MP3, WAV, or other supported audio formats. I'm going to upload this track right here. Once the song uploads, MVLand lets you choose the exact section of the music you want to use. This is actually really useful because sometimes you only want the chorus, a drop, or a specific cinematic section. So I'll trim this part right here. Perfect. Add your prompt. Now underneath, we can enter our prompt or concept for the music video. This is where you describe the vibe, environment, visual style, characters, mood, and overall cinematic direction. For example, Cyberpunk anime singer performing in a neon futuristic city. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your results usually become. So I'll enter my concept here and continue. AI music analysis. Now this is where MVLand becomes really interesting. The platform starts analyzing the song automatically. It detects things like genre, rhythm, tempo, pacing, emotional tone, and structure. So instead of generating random scenes, the AI actually tries to synchronize visuals with the music itself. Choose visual style. Now after analysis, we can choose our visual style. There are tons of styles available like anime, cinematic, realistic, fantasy, cyberpunk, stylized 3D, vaporwave, and more. The outputs here honestly look amazing, especially for anime-style music videos. So I'm going to choose this cyberpunk style. Create your character. Next we move into character creation. Now this part is extremely powerful. You can either use built-in system characters, generate a new AI character, or upload your own reference images. I'm going to upload my own character image because it helps improve character consistency across scenes, but even with a single image, the results can still look surprisingly good. Select aspect ratio and model. Now we can select our aspect ratio. You have options for landscape, vertical, social media formats. I'm choosing 16009 for YouTube. Next comes model selection. MVLand supports multiple AI generation models depending on the type of visuals you want. For example, Nano Banana, Kling, and other generation engines. I'm going with Nano Banana for storyboard generation.
Simply, I click create scene and it creates beautiful scenes and shots to make video amazing.
Generate storyboard. Now we click generate storyboard, and this is honestly one of the coolest parts of the entire platform. MVLand automatically creates scenes, camera shots, transitions, pacing, and visual storytelling. So instead of manually planning every scene yourself, the AI builds the structure automatically. And the results here are actually really impressive. Generate final video. Now once we're happy with the storyboard, we can generate the final video. For rendering, I'm selecting Kling 2.5 Turbo, which produces really high-quality cinematic motion. Now the AI starts generating all video clips individually. Video editor. After generation finishes, we enter the editor section. On the screen, we now have a preview window. timeline controls, generated scenes, clip management, and rendering options. At this stage, you can still tweak clips, regenerate scenes, adjust timing, and refine the final result. Then finally, we click Render Video, and MVLand combines everything into one complete AI-generated music video.
One of the newest features added to MVLand is Trending Hits. From the homepage, simply click on the Trending Hits section to explore a collection of the latest trending video styles, templates, and creative ideas. You can browse through different categories, preview each trend, and find the one that best matches your content or marketing campaign. Once you've found a style you like, just click to use it. MVLand will automatically open the template in the editor, so you can start customizing it with your own images, videos, or text. Instead of creating everything from scratch, Trending Hits gives you a fast starting point, inspired by what's already performing well, helping you create eye-catching videos in just a few clicks.
So yeah, that's a complete walkthrough of MVLand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.